So today we are outdoors, and we are going to show you different doorbells, and these doorbells come with a camera. So we have our original doorbell that's we are going to replace today, and we are going to replace it with one of these 3 cameras. I'm going to unbox them and show you the contents of each. I'm going to maybe look for the best camera just to install in this location. So we have 3 doorbell cameras. We have the ring doorbell wired. Soon we are going to unbox that. We also have these ring battery doorbell plus. So a doorbell plus, that means it's operated, either you can use wire from the previous connection, or you can either put the battery where you have to change all the time, or maybe recharge all the time. The blink video doorbell, so this one also works with battery, or you can directly wire it from the pre-installed doorbell. So that means all of these are nice doorbell cameras. The only difference comes with either you want a wired connection, or maybe a battery operated camera. So that means if you don't have a pre-installed doorbell, that means you have to use a battery operated camera. So that you'll have to go with either of these. That means different expense. Again, this one is a little bit cheaper, but it has to be directly wired. It doesn't have batteries. It's called a ring doorbell wired. So as the name suggests, it's wired. This one is more expensive because you can either use a wire connection, or you can either charge it or use a battery. Similar to this, a little bit more expensive. I'm talking about expensive compared to this directly wired doorbell camera. So this blink doorbell camera is again either wired, or you can use batteries.